Do you know the words, Fisher?
No,
Wait, here it comes.
Up the party. Let's have a party. Solo cup. Lift you up. Party.
oh, I lift you up.
Hey.
Oh, and by the way, if Kai comes over and wants to toast with you, brace yourself in your glass.
Okay.
Because he kind of takes a pitch at it, and wham! Doesn't he? Axel, not so much. He toasts.